Welcome back to Big Bird's Adventures. You asked for it and you got it. Takis or Takis or however you say them. I've got all 5 flavors here and they're new. They're spicy and we're going to test them out today here on Big Bird's Adventures. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I can keep this video short for you, but there's been so many requests for Takis. And can you do a review on Takis and all that stuff? Well, I don't know if you all know, but I'm not a spicy person, but that was Italian. Sorry. I'm not a spicy eater. So these smell delicious, by the way. I've already opened them. I put a bowl in the back here with some samples. First one we're going to go after though is Fuego. And I can just tell you, yeah, that's Fuego. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. So it's already got a flame, a pepper, some lime. So this one right here is Fuego. There ain't much description here. It's enlarged. That's what it says. The picture's enlarged. It is a hot chili pepper and lime. Artificial flavor with tortilla chips. And so, yeah, these are everywhere. So they're guaranteed fresh. If you need to learn more about them, they're on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. So Takis is not a sponsor of this video. So let's go ahead and try some Fuego. This is what it looks like here. Ooh, yeah, here we go. All right, let's pick the less. Okay. Definitely crunchy. Ooh. Yeah. Now, they're really heavily seasoned. You can really taste the lime. And then that chili hits the back of your throat. And wow. Woo! They're hot. So I'm gonna have to get a drink for this. Burn half my mouth off. And the weapon of choice here to fight against the heat is milk. And we got a little bit of soda. And I'm gonna whip out. I'm gonna tap out every time. But I'm doing this for you. So there's Fuego. And we'll quickly score them at the end. And yeah, it is making my head sweat and feel prickly. Oh, and my tongue. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's see if we can make it through this. All right, the next one is guacamole. So it says it's mild. It's got a little mild temperature thing there. Yeah, not much information about it. So guacamole, we all know what that is. There are jalapenos, chilies, all that stuff on the bag. So I mean, you don't need a description when you can see that happening. And this is the guacamole ones. I'm just gonna go for it, you know? If you don't have good teeth, this is not a good snack. So, as far as heat goes, it is a mild heat. It actually just goes up and down. You can taste the guac right away. Great flavor. And as far as heat goes, all right, as far as heat goes, it's mild. So actually it's pretty delicious. But the Fuego's still getting to me. All right. The next one we have here. Oh, yeah, see my nose is. The next one we have here is Buckin' Ranch. And I said Buckin', okay? Because it says Buckin' Ranch on it. It says this one is non-spicy. So this is a non-spicy Taki. And that's, again, it's roped up in some ranch. So I guess party on, right? Probably like a ranch Dorito, something like that. But there it is. Oh yeah. That's really good. For all you ranch lovers out there, that's a good Taki. As far as heat goes, there is none. It pops with that ranch, and then you have that crunch. And because you have just one side of the chip in ranch, and again, that Fuego is still knocking me out. I should have done that last. It's delicious. And again, it's a little hard to chew, but here's to you, Fuego. All right, the next one. This one's got some pretty good art on it. You know, marketing. It's a hot chip. It says right there, hot. Dragon sweet chili. So y'all know what's happening there. Right there, you're gonna get the sweet, and then it's gonna pow right in your face. Here we go. Let's get some of that Fuego out of there. All right. Whew. And there it is. This is the Dragon Sweet Chili. Taki. Here it goes. Yep. Just like I said, you get that sweet first. It's not super hot. You know? I mean, this is like a mild hot to me. Compared to Fuego, it's actually pretty chill. Yeah, I like that. That's really good. All right. And I hope you guys don't mind me talking with my mouth full. It's either that or on fire. So the milk is helping. Woo! All right. Next we have the Takis Blue Heat, and it says extremely hot. So all I know is red. This is an extreme hot too. I don't think I showed that before. This is a different type of hot apparently. So, and as you can tell, they're blue. They're blue. Oh man, here we go. Do I do it? Oh, Yeah, they're hot. Woo! Oh yeah. Make my nose run. Okay. That's pretty good. The heat comes. The heat comes first, and then you get the deliciousness of the chip. But the more I talk, the more I'm on fire. So you have to hold out for a minute. Yep. Woo! That's making me sweat. I can feel it around here. Feel it around here. Now I'm about to feel it right here. Oh, yeah. All right. Well, you asked for it. I went and got these Takis. Again, not a sponsor. All right. We're going to judge these chips, not by how good they are. But how hot they are. So, Fuego, and we're going to do this 1 out of 10. Fuego gets a 10. Solid 10. This chip will not disappoint. It will burn your face off. If that's what you're into. Ooh. All right, the guacamole chip, it's got a little sting to it. As far as heat goes, it's an 8. So this is an 8. It does stick with you. And then you get that guac taste. Really sweet, delicious. Sorry. All right. Oh, that's crazy. The ranch, as far as heat goes, nothing. There's no heat on the ranch. I'm going to have to judge it by how good it is. Which none of my judging makes sense. That's fine. But this gets a 9 all day. All right. Thumbs up. Okay. So the Dragon Sweet Chili, I give it an 8. Delicious, by the way. It does give you the heat and the sweet. And then this blue heat chip thing, it hurts. And it's delicious though. It is really good. But right now it's still burning me. Again, this one gets a 10 as well. So there wasn't any underperformers here. The Takis are really good. You can find them anywhere, gas stations, Walmarts, all the grocery stores. I do say if you don't like heat, don't go for the ones with the crazy extremes on them. But the guac, the dragon heat, and the ranch are delicious, and you can enjoy them. For the people that like to burn their mouths off and probably not taste anything for a week, these two are your selection. But that's my review on the Takis. I hope you enjoyed it. Like, share, and subscribe, and also put in the comments what you'd like to see me do next. So that would be great to get some suggestions. And thanks for watching, and as always, we'll see you on the next one.